Guys, welcome back to a new vlogmas. I just finished decorating everything in the house. I'm so happy about it, and I filmed everything. I also gave you an idea of a very cute Christmas gift that you can do at home, and it's really cheap. So if you saw the other videos, that I have some old decorations that I keep really well. You don't, like they say on TikTok, this is your sign that you don't have to buy a ton of decorations. You just have to keep your old ones and see what you can do with them. And after that, if you really want to buy something new, just go for it. But really, this is your sign. You don't have to follow all the Instagram videos, everything that it's in store since October. So yeah, it's super okay if you don't buy a ton of decorations. I know in America, in the US, all the people take the Christmas decorations down after the 26th maybe of December. We in Europe usually make our Christmas tree on the 1st of December, and we keep it maybe till 1st of January or 2nd. I personally keep it until mid-January. The tree is up, the decorations are up, because we don't really decorate since November. But that's just us, or maybe just me. So yeah, let's get started, and I really hope you enjoy this.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figure pudding. Now bring us some figure pudding. Now bring us some figure pudding. Now bring some out here. For we all like a figure pudding. For we all like a figure pudding. For we all like a figure pudding with all this good cheer. For we all like a figure pudding. For we all like a figure pudding. For we all like a figure pudding with all this good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until
another lonely night.
So let's do a DIY, a great Christmas gift idea. Here are some homemade bath salts. So I bought some Epsom salt and I have some classic bath salts, and I'm going to mix them with some essential oils. And you're good to go. But the trick for this, I mean, it's not a trick, but it's a special detail, are the bottles, and they are vintage. I got them from my dad, but you can find them if you have a grandma. I'm sure you can find some, or at the thrift store for sure, for cheap. And I'm going to tie a ribbon here, and they're going to look super cute. This is with aloe vera, but I think it also has some kind of coloring because it's pink. It also smells like roses. So I'm going to add some vanilla oil. The other one I made is with pine salt. And I mixed some patchouli and sandalwood. I don't recommend you use some mint or pine essential oils because you're going to feel super cold in the bath. Only if you like to feel like your skin is cold. But I don't think that's the point of this. And I'm going to mix some orange one also. This has a color to it. And just mix everything until the oils are well absorbed. It looks super cute. Let's add some more Epsom salt. This is super healthy for your skin. Now I'm going to take a funnel and pour everything in. My husband helps me. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I thought it's super cute. I mean, the bottles and the DIY. And it's more of a personal gift this way because you made it. Yeah, you can do some layering if you like, just for the looks. Like so. You don't have to fill it. It just looks super cute this way. And you can mix it when you use it or the person who receives it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.